What's up, guys? Rexling Fish Guy here. Here with another Iwagumi Aquascape. I have not done one of these in forever. As you guys can see, I just leveled the substrate and took out all the rocks. And now I'm going to redo everything in a different way. So, yeah. I'm just going to start with moving the substrate to the back. Maybe I'm going to mostly put it in this corner. I'm just going on a whim here. When I said I haven't done this in forever, I was serious. The last video that I made doing this, yeah, that was the last time I've done this, which was way too long ago. So, we'll see how things go. Now, I still don't have the money to do anything more than just the hardscape, which is really a bummer, as I really want to get this kind of tank set up, but just don't have the money yet. Okay. Now, I only really have one choice for main rock. I can't really remember what it's called with the fancy terms. Who needs fancy terms? Anyways, come on, guys. I'm thinking of maybe trying to do a 3-stone scape. But that rock might not be big enough to do something like that. And I'm just going to choose random rocks because I have a bunch of small rocks that I'm not really sure what to do with. And then yeah, I'm thinking that rock, the main rock, is not big enough to do a 3-rock scape. So I'm going to just add a bunch of small rocks. Okay. That is the scape for this time. As you guys can see, I do not have very much recent experience doing this. So I'm not very good at this. But it's like a slope that way, that's the beach. I'm going to, like, basically water flow is pushing that way. Or maybe that's not the beach, that's just higher substrate. Just a raisin substrate, however it works. Maybe there's a large rock underneath and that's part of the rock sticking out, or try to imagine this in a river in the wild. I guess that's how it's best to do this. So water is pushing that way, rocks are getting pushed that way a little bit, and then I would put some I think I would put some hair grass all in this tank. This would probably be a hair grass only tank, with the back portion having taller hair grass, maybe. And then I would probably put a small power head over here to put water flow so the grass was actually blowing that way to actually create that image. So, yep. Batteries are running low, so I'm gonna go. See you guys. Iwagumi Aquascape.